Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change date and time settings on the Dell XPS laptop. To do this, let's open our start and move to the settings. Inside, select time and language, date and time. Right here you'll be able to adjust time and the date, but first to do it manually, you'll need to turn off set time automatically, and then this should appear and you'll be able to change it manually like this. But it's strongly recommended to actually enable set time automatically, as leaving it off may cause some network problems. Then you can adjust your time zone by clicking on the pop-up, and also adjust for daylight saving time automatically with on and off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.